Good afternoon. It's Thursday, February 3rd, 2011. I'm Eric Shiner with Right Now on CNSnews.com. A lot more back and forth on Obamacare. While the Obama administration is taking to federal court 27 states that are challenging the constitutionality of his plan, the one thing we can all be sure of is that the president has long been steadfast in his belief in the plan, as well as the individual mandate.
That we have to force people who don't have health insurance to buy it. Otherwise, there will be a lot of people who don't get it. I don't see those folks.
But
I mean, if a mandate was the solution, we could try that to solve homelessness by mandating everybody buy a house. Then you can have a situation, which we're seeing right now in the state of Massachusetts, where people are being fined for not having purchased health care.
We have coverage. Well, with the latest court ruling declaring Obamacare unconstitutional, the judge wrote that officials of the executive branch will adhere to the law as declared by the court. As a result, this declaratory judgment is the functional equivalent of an injunction. So we can now expect the implementation of Obamacare to be put on hold for the time being, right?
Personally, I don't, because the judge was asked for an injunction and he didn't rule that there would be one.
So which Americans have to obey court rulings and which don't? Nicholas Balassi has more in his story. Perhaps the president will have to pray for an answer to all these problems. He was at the National Prayer Breakfast this morning. We'll bring you coverage of that. And one thing we do have coverage on is a new medical revelation. Environmental Protection Agency Administrator Lisa Jackson told the Senate panel that preventing children from being exposed to contaminated water could spare them from autism.
I think the president's far-reaching executive order makes clear that there are some things that are hard to price. Our science may be good, but I don't know how you price the ability to try to forestall a child who may not get autism if they're not exposed to contaminated water.
Interesting. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, National Institutes of Health, autism is a disease that causes abnormal biology and chemistry in the brain, and that the exact causes of these abnormalities remain unknown. What new information has Lisa Jackson discovered? And what else did she choose to reveal to Senate members? Peggy Starr's story has all the details. We invite you to drink up all the information. Stay informed right now on CNSnews.com.